hano hari umuyobozi wa Uganda wankoze ku mutima. Ni Minister of Local Government yitwa Baramu, ariko abari barigeze abaryi ba ruswa byasubiwemo. Hano yari yasuye ikigo cy'ishuri cya leta ibaha amafaranga ngo abanyeshuri bigire ubuntu bakayarya, barangiza bakishyuza n'abanyeshuri bakabeshya n'imibare. Ariko babaza ati ni imibare ingahe mufite hano, bakamubwira ngo akomeza kugenda mubeshya ngo ni 200. Ati noneho ngwino tubibaranire ndi hano. Ibaze Minister w'ubutegetsi bw'igihugu yimanukiye ati ngwino tubabare. Umwana asohoka tumubara turebe.
Number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So that is 93.
Ko bambwiye 150 bari hehe ko mbonye 93. Uvuga aho harimo question mark. Ubwo niko directeur nguri yamwe imbere agomba kubibazwa. Noneho umva hano babiri bisambo wishyuza n'abanyeshuri. Ariko baza abanyeshuri ati muri ishyura ati yego mwishyura ngaha 65,000 kandi bakigiye ubuntu. Wumva ubwo bujora bwabo bageze kurenzaho imibare hafi 1,000 ikigo cyose bakayabika bakanishyuza. Directeur agomba kuva bamutwara. Arababwira ati muceceka bidusobanurire uburyo abishyuza. Tangira kubeshya ngo urumva ngo tubishyuza ngo yishimwe ngo agahimbaza musiki n'ibiki. Mubaza ati ibyo birimo mu itegeko ko leta yohereza amafaranga hano ngo bana bigira ubuntu. Ati itegeko rirasobanutse. Nimba bishyuza agomba kuba bifitiye uruhushya rwa minisitiri. Ararufite? Ntarwo ufite? Yego yego. None iyo ubikoze igitandukanye n'itegeko ukoze icyaha cyangwa ntabwo ukoze icyaha. Mba nkoze icyaha none kugutwara. Ndakubwiye Baramu yungu yazanye impinduramatwara yiyo baramujyanye tayari. Uganda bari barigeze abaryi ba ruswa. Ono yasaza olukujjukujju nazza abaaneka bapewo basinga abayizi abasomera mu ssomero lino byetegereze tuli Malacha district local government Calvin Kayanja ku ground. Aha ho yahageze asanga bubatse toilette ngo ya miliyoni 20. Ndebera nawe nzugi z'amabati. Ni iki bavuga ngo umuntu urya ruswa bari n'umwanzi w'igihugu. Ibi ni ibikikwere ko mu ndebere toilette ya miliyoni 20 ze n'inzugi. Umva ukuntu yavugishijwe. Amafaranga ari kuri konti cyari ku yawe, ari kuri konti yanjye. Amafaranga. Shayo umugabo namukunze. Uyu bahise bamujyana nta bindi byo gusobanura. Bahita bagutambikana. Baramu bayizaniye na polisi aho ngaho. Umva uyu mugabo zarangiza manda yakoze akazi Uganda. Noneho yageze hano arumirwa. Reba igikoni cya miliyoni 300. Ngo iyi ngo nangahe harya ngo ni miliyoni 300. Umva Baramu kunabaza ati miliyoni 350 ku kikone.
was fixed by the current in charge now. Theirs that they had fixed never even worked. The sample is behind.
350 million.
hano ho yanumiwe ati miliyoni 350 akoma n'amashyi arumirwa ati ibi ntabwo bibaho. Ariko Uganda ni n'abakomediye babahaye kubaka kaburimbo bashyiraho umucanga w'umukara hejuru ati bashyizeho umucanga w'umukara kugira ngo batwemeze ko ari kaburimbo. Umva abaturage nabo ukuntu bataripfana ati bakoze ibi kubera uri buze ati muri seri ati hari n'umuntu wapfiriye aha ati hari umuntu wapfiriye aha ati ahubwo ni babiri bapfiriye hano.
They killed the people here this water. But still they are crazy. They are confusing me that they have brought Madam.
Abaturage ati twakifuje wakabaye waraje na mbere.
No, he's here. This is the black soil.
Ati madam ati ubu n'ubutaka bw'umukara.
This Madam.
Have you seen this one?
Is that Madam?
This is not a Madam.
The water which is coming from.
Kandi ubwo nta tuzo bo muvomera bahita bagutambikana. Uyu muyobozi namukunze fo ubonye abayobozi ba Afrika benshi bakabe bameze nk'uyu mugabo koko. Bahita bakujyana nta bindi bintu byinshi.
Minister Mukambwemu abana abempewo abasinga abasomeramu obungi aba diverting sente ezino kukola ebirala nezikola ku.
Ariko babaza ati iki kiraro ni cya miliyoni 60 mutambeshye leta waye miliyoni 60 bubaka iki kiraro ati kujya baguriza imbaho ndeba hase. Uyu muyobozi urabona atari muzima cyane. Ibaza Uganda ifite abayobozi nka 10 abandi bamubanjirije ntago basohokaga mu biro warurire imisozi akamanuka indi yishakira barya ruswa. Abandi byari gukora batangiye kubikenamo komedi.
How are you? Do you pay school fees? Yeah. Do you pay school fees? How much? How much are you paying?
Okay, it depends. We are paying school fees for 3 categories. First one is for those who day without meals.
I can't see her.
Speak louder. Speak louder. We are paying fees for 3 categories. We have day without meals. They are paying 80,000. 80,000.
Without meals.
Day without meals.
What is that for?
We don't know, but
where's the headmaster? You come. You come there. Stand there. So you are saying you are paying 80,000 for day without meals?
Yeah.
Then another one?
Day with meals.
How much?
That is 220.
Day with meals?
Yeah.
The next one?
Boarding.
How much?
That's 300,000.
Boarding is approved. But day without meals, why are you charging them 80,000 without meals? And yet it is the government of Uganda building the schools. It's government, hold on, it's government of Uganda paying the teachers. Why do you undermine the president when he makes a directive? The president told you government schools, day schools, city schools, education is free. And you only charge people for meals. So where is the 80,000 going?
We are less by 10 teachers. we have employed some teachers who are paid locally here. That is why we
Did you get approval of Minister of Education? Where's the PTA chairman? Come. How many students do you have in there? Board, you can come, Zay.
It's PTA.
Where's the board chairman?
Now, Mzee, did you agree with the Mzee's position that government schools should be free of charge in their schools? How many teachers does the president support here?
15.
Now, free 15 teachers. Government has just spent 2.8 billion to build new classrooms, and you go ahead to charge students. Why are you doing that? Are you not denying these Marachi and a chance to study? Who approved the 80,000 for their schools without meals?
We agreed with the parents in the meeting.
That is thuggery. That's robbery. How many students do you have on their school without meals?
I cannot really give exact number, but I have it in the office. I can get the...
Maybe I can ask the member of parliament for representing your constituency here to speak about what does the UPE statute say and UCE statute say. Please, maybe you know better.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. We have statute for universal primary education and statute for universal secondary education. The statute says that those who are day scholars and do not have any meals are expected not to pay any school fees. Unless there's an arrangement here which we can be, the Honorable Minister can be informed of if it is legal or illegal.
It's illegal because the president said students who are in school, in government-aided schools, should not pay school fees unless when the parents want to pay money for meals. So that 80,000 would have been good enough for 100,000 for meals. But again, you don't chase students away that they never paid for meals. Number one. Number two, the students in boarding section 300 is not a problem because they are sleeping, they are drinking, they are doing everything. Now where are the 72 children? Children come back to class and study.
Sir,
so let's go. No, let them not know what I'm doing.
Okay.
You go and study. Let's count this class. So you said you are 101? You told me you're 101? Yes? You told me you're 101? No, hold on. We registered how many people in this class? 184. Let's count this class as well. You go in. I'm going to count you. You stand up. One by one, I count your class. This is how government is losing money. When infiltrating numbers. 77. Yes. You're right. You come, I count you. You stand out there, I'll count you. This is number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50,
100.
That's 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 105. Headmaster, you told me you had how many in this class?
124.
No. He said 184. 184, you have 105. You'll tell me where the other numbers are. Let's go to 1.5 billion. Yes. Hold it back.
Yes.
Kana katale kakamara 1.5 billion. Akareko government. Namo tujja kuba kwati. 1.5 ana roach.
Bakatugambira ngo bajja kukora standard.
So, bakombe katoye.
Na kile kile
baka 1.5 billion.
Yes.
Bajja kuzinyara. Mutwala toni. Mutwala ndo tarusa. On block. Marigara njoko nyuma. Kadi 1.5 billion.
So nakaso wale mu jironi. Akakora renovation ya milioni 10.
Asatu. Just renovation
just kusiga rangi no
kusiga rangi ya kaumbe kako. Milioni asatu.
Hiyo chizi bisao.
Milioni abiri sana.
Just like the painting. Bagamba, you are supposed to build a new one. Bagamba, tukombe kazi yake atakurenovate again. Bagamba, if you are doing renovation, mali hata BOTs. They did.
Ate, aina nanya ni next changa tenyi sababu nyama. Bakatorora na iwe tulibuli mu campaign yote home. Tukanyuka muka kasango msaidia. Enzo ndivyanga kugira bitero nguwa lazima nimoroka
kusoma rukenda imwaro imani kaka mejano kwa kusabika kusoborole kime pia hapa
Speaker Speaker Somora.
Na musoborola
How many do you have? How many do you have? Huh? 200. The people who sat in P1 or the suspect 9. There are 200 who sat in P1. Where is the dose? Where is the dose? It's okay. When I was there, you come. You told me how many people sat exam in P1. You take this. This man is the.
According to the order I gave, it was in fact there we gave order before taking the roll number of the children, before picking the papers, but we gave 100.
Okay, fine.
So
you're a very honest man. I like you for being very honest. You have said it 200. Where is State House and Corruption? You need to investigate this man. But let's count if they are 200. Let's count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 26. So that is 76. 76, you bring those papers. These are plain. 76. This is 27. 28. 29. 30. That is 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 101. 101. So the DOS is the honest man in this institution. And for now, maybe you're a graduate. Okay, you are going to make a recommendation in the district council. Your members of parliament are here. I think you can serve better. Thank you. So what do you do with this man? Say they are 200, they are 100. What do you do with him? He's covering up for the boss.
I think so.
So what do you do for him now?
Investigate him.
You're going to investigate him? I don't know, the rest is up to you. The rest is up to you. You are here for treatment? Yes. Where are the doctors? Yes. Are they working on you? Yes. What time did you come? In the morning? What time did doctors come? Huh? So are they giving you drugs or they don't give you drugs? You don't buy drugs? Do you pay money to see them? You don't pay money? But they give you drugs, they give you money for, they give you drugs in the hospital? Yes. Do they work every day? Yes. They work up to a time? Huh? 5. Around 4 p.m. Then they close.
That as long as people are here, they will sit here until they serve all the people. That's according to her.
So they sit here and serve you. Then when you are gone is when they also leave. Do they work at night?
Yes.
They serve patients in the night. So, so this is the Churube Health Center 3. Okay. So do you have any message for Mzee, for the president?
That he should continue with the work.
You should continue with the work. What other message do you have for Mzee?
I'm a president.
Here in Churubi. So Churube is the main hospital of Marasha?
No, it is actually in the border of 3 districts.
Terego has no hospital?
Terego, there is a part of Terego doesn't have hospital.
Terego has no hospital? So are some of you here from Terego? Who's from Terego? You are one person from Terego? Okay.
So, sometimes we used to receive over 50 persons from the neighboring districts, Agro City and Terego, including ours here. At times, in busy days, it used to take our health workers up to night. So the outcry of our people before is that our message as a Wizard sub-county is we are crying for health center for.
Are we zero?
This is the hard to reach area.
The most remote area.
Exactly. So the catchment area here, especially Terego, is very near here, and it is true that people from the citizens from Terego come and get services.
We also have the sub-county also has the land on the other extreme.
You'll come and talk at the rally.
Yes, okay.
You'll come and talk.
21. This man has never done as in.
Is this the district engineer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You have been a district engineer for how long here?
For six years.
So meaning the 5 billion for the last 5 years?
No, 3
No, we
billion.
started getting 1 billion in 2023.
Let's say
For the last 3 years.
For the last 5 years.
3 years.
Can you give me a road, a pivotal road?
You've done well.
That for you, this road, we have done it well. Everything else we have failed, but this one, we have done it well. Give me just one road in Ubwoba district.
Honorable, there are very many.
Give me one road.
The best, the
Don't
MasterCard.
confuse me. Don't play with me the way you play with these people. I said give me one road.
Can
I'm
go to
not
Ramboli
here.
County.
What?
Ramboli County.
Give me the road and where it's located.
Tado Mleme Road.
Pardon?
Tado Mleme Road.
How did you construct it?
We graded, gravelled, and compacted.
Using how much money out of the 3 billion?
We used 140 million.
So 140 million has
Yes.
been your most expensive road and most well done road in of 3 billion.
There are many, honorable.
Listen, of 3 billion in
How long is this road? 1 kilometer to where?
It goes up to the market and then connected back to.
How long have you been? How long has it taken you to build?
It is now.
Where is the engineer?
6 months.
6
Where is
months,
the
1
engineer?
kilometer?
Yeah.
No, I want the engineer. Engineer Bonnie.
The engineer,
Call me Engineer Bonnie.
no. So they began from the.
How much money did you receive?
We received 900.
You have 900 million?
Yes.
And you have done it from where? This is the final point?
No, this is the final point.
You are Engineer Bonnie?
Yes.
Let's work together. So here they are finished?
No, this is a priming course. You prime this, then you bring the first layer. What they're doing now is the first layer, which will be followed by.
How long have you finished this thing here?
This one?
Yeah.
This one 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. And we allowed the primer to penetrate.
Penetrate where?
To the ground.
And you think it has penetrated?
It has. It has. We give it 14 days. It has penetrated.
And what is this?
This is still priming cost. They're supposed to sweep, and we do the same. They're sweeping the standards, and we continue with the same. First layer, followed by the second layer.
How much money was spent here?
It was a total of 900 million.
What's the project duration?
The project duration was supposed to be 2 years.
That is the project?
Yes.
Of 1 kilometer?
Of 1 kilometer.
2 years? How many years have you spent?
We have spent like now 4 years. Because
4 years? Why?
The money was not released.
When was it released?
It was released in 2024, 2025. But then the council had not put in the budget So it became very difficult for the district to transfer the money to the account of the town council. So money stayed there for over 4 months.
So when was it transferred?
It was transferred in March 2025.
March 2025?
Yes.
So how long have you been working on the road?
Okay, March 2025 when it was transferred, because of the equipment issue, we could not start immediately. Because of one step.
You're the one. Why are children not in school today? Is it a public holiday?
No, they have just been doing exams, they are yet for rest.
No, that's not true. All the children, you told them not to come, they come on Monday.
No.
Yeah. That's what I know. I have evidence. We told all the children, including those in P5, that they should not come. They come on Monday when the minister has left the district.
No, I did not say so.
And even I've seen a few of them, I saw them running away.
They have been doing exams.
Hello? You come. Come here. Come. So anyway, we shall go with you and we'll get more details from you. Let's go together to the district. You tell me the truth. You tell me the truth. How many students do you have in this school? 1,480. 1,400. Then the actual number? Because I know the truth. The actual number. I know the truth. And the truth will save you.
That is what
Give me the actual number. Edimasa, I know the truth. By the time I come here, I know the truth. Because Maracha has how many schools? How come I've come here? You know the truth. So what is the truth? What's the actual number? I don't have to quarrel with you. I will just move away. Because I know everyone is planning something small to survive. So what is the actual number?
That's what I registered, actually.
Okay, let us go and discuss in the cars we are going. You can give him a lift in your car. We go with him as we discuss and let's go slowly and we discuss.